A Dhaka court has imposed a travel embargo against NBR official Motiur Rahman, who was mired in a goat scandal. His wife, who is a college teacher, and his son Ahmed Taufikur Rahman Arnob is in embezzlement case. The Metropolitan Session Judge Court issued this ban on the application of the ACC. Motiur Rahman's wife is currently the chairman of Rajpura Upazila Parishad of Norsindi and the Relief and Social Welfare Affairs Secretary of the District Awami League. Earlier on Sunday, the ACC formed a 3-member committee and started an investigation against Motiur Rahman. On Sunday, Motiur Rahman was removed from his current post and attached to IRP in the Internal Resources Department of the Ministry of Finance. Earlier, Motiur Rahman's son, Mushfiqur Rahman Ifat, bought a goat from Dhaka's Sadiq Agro owed Dhaka 15 lakh for sacrifice. However, in the beginning, Motiur Rahman denied Ifat as his son.
নগদের কাছে সব গ্রাহকই প্রিয়, তাই তো সারা দেশে ক্যাশ আউট চার্জ সবচেয়ে কম।